Good morning everyone and welcome to Makkah. We're in Arafat right now, and behind me that's Jabal Rahmah. Jabal Rahmah is the place where our Prophet Adam alayhi salam, he was sent down from heaven when he ate the fruit from the forbidden tree, and the legend has it that this is the place where Adam and Hawa, which is Adam and Eve, they met in this mountain. This is why some people believe they should write down their names. You can see.
This is not allowed.
Yeah, but this is actually not allowed. It's actually a bid'ah, and it's something that we should avoid at all costs. We believe it's an innovation of the religion. So yeah, don't do this. Guys, don't do this. We're gonna try to climb up to the top right now, and wow, it's quite difficult. Yeah, because there's a lot of people up there. Oh man, we made it.
Yes, we made it, but I'm quite disappointed at the writings. Oh my god, that's what they're really destroying the whole thing. This is the place where people, like millions of people, literally, will gather here during Hajj. One of the pilgrimage that we have in Islam.
And this is the view of the top. Thousands and thousands of people. Wow. It is actually not required to climb to the top, but we just wanted to see the view and see what's here. Yeah, not bad. We made it down safely. No issues.
No issues.
Yeah. Okay, next up. This is Mina, also known as a tent city. There are 100,000 air-conditioned tents here that can house more than 3 million people during the Hajj pilgrimage. And finally, this is Jabal An-Nur, which houses the cave of Hira, which is the place where the Quran was first revealed to our Prophet. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your And now we're in front of Masjid Haram. This place is amazingly beautiful. Behind me is the Makkah Royal Clock Tower, also called the Zam Zam Tower, and we're staying in Armarwa Raihan. That's the hotel next to it. Yeah, this place used to be all mountains, like Jabal Omar and all used to be all mountains, but because of the huge amount of pilgrims coming here, especially during Ramadan and Hajj, they had to flatten out the whole place and build hotels in their places instead. So there's a lot of hotels that are newly built behind Darul Tawheed. Darul Tawheed is the Intercontinental Hotel behind me over there. Yeah, you may be wondering why I'm wearing such thick layer. It's because it's actually very, very cold. A lot of people assume that just because it's a desert, that it's going to be hot in the afternoon or in the morning. It's actually very cold right now, so I'm actually shivering. And now it's time to show you guys the Kaaba. And behind me here, that's the Kaaba. So beautiful. The first time I see it, I just couldn't believe it that I finally made it here. Oh my goodness. So blessed. So thankful. Yeah, this is the direction where all Muslims around the world, whenever they pray, they will face towards the direction of the Kaaba. And every minute and every second and every hour, you'll see people doing tawaf around here, which is a circumambulation around the structure of the Kaaba. We do it as a form of ibadah, as one form of worship. We don't worship the structure, it's just a symbol. We call this the House of Allah. And you can see there's a lot of people that will crowd around a piece of stone called the Hajar Aswad. That stone is still disputed as to its origin. Some people believe it's a meteorite, some people believe it's just a regular stone, but there's no general consensus on that. A lot of people are trying to kiss that stone. You don't have to do that actually, but it's just that some people believe it's the right way of doing the tawaf, but it's actually not required because all you need to do is just make takbir towards the Hajar Aswad. As you can see, there's a lot of renovation works right now, a lot of expansion works in the process at the moment. The masjid is constantly being expanded to cater for the amount of pilgrims every year. It's increasing every year. Sorry if it's a bit noisy over here, but they are having a lot of construction works on the Zam Zam fountain, the water that springs from below. And you can see right over there, that's the door to the Kaaba, and next to it is Hajjar Aswad. So that's it from Masjid al-Haram. I couldn't film too much inside just now because I was caught by the Mutawif, which is the religious police. They told me that I couldn't film and I thought they were gonna delete all my footage, but thankfully they didn't. So, still all my footage are intact. So yeah, just be careful when you're filming inside. Try not to.
Abuya Mudir hina. So
we're having our lunch right now in a shopping mall underneath the Royal Clock Tower, and this is how we have lunch over here. This is how the Arabs have their lunch as well. Just lay it over on top of this plastic and then you can share your meal together. Quite a good way of eating. I ordered the kebab with rice and she ordered some grilled beef. As a note to all Asians, because our portions are not that much compared to the Arabs, when you're ordering rice, you should only order one portion, and it's good enough for 2 persons, right? Yeah, so this is one person's portion, guys. All of this is one person's portion. Crazy, right? And just now Amalia had an episode with the guy who sold us this rice. The Arabs say they always assume that Southeast Asians that have a darker skin, especially from Indonesia, are typically domestic workers. So they were asking her like, why is her Arabic so good? Do you work here? And that triggered Amalia because she used to live here and she knows what they mean by that. They always assume that they are just domestic workers. So an education to all of you, in case you're an Arab watching this, not all Indonesians are domestic workers. So yeah, don't trigger Amalia. You don't want to deal with angry Amalia. Don't mess with her. My room. It's our last day in Jeddah. Jeddah. It's our last day in Makkah and we're gonna go back to Jeddah right now. So I'm gonna end the vlog. If you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you dislike the vlog, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget me.